Hi, I'm Jack Moore, here today along with Cameron's own employees to help you discover the world of opportunity that is Cameron. We're a Fortune 500 company, a customer partner with rich experience, a respected brand, and a vibrant culture. Thanks to our incredibly talented workforce, serving 9 market segments, upstream to downstream, onshore to offshore, Cameron's network spans more than 300 locations worldwide. We create the flow control technology that energizes the world, backed by strong core values and an uncompromising commitment to safety. Integrity, responsibility, innovation, excellence, and collaboration. These are the best of who we are and how we work. Bringing these values to life every day defines us, individually and collectively. And ultimately, our people are the key to our growth and success. Which brings us to you. Why should you choose Cameron? I invite you to discover more from Cameron's own people because they truly say it best. Thanks for watching.
My name is Joey. I am the machine shop supervisor. I have 11 years at Cameron, and I am part of the drilling department. Well, I started out at the bottom, basically sweeping the floor at our Patterson aftermarket facility. I became a machinist trainee, worked my way through the machinist program, eventually worked my way up to the CNC programmer. I spent approximately 4 years doing the CNC programming for the machine shop, and in the past 2.5 years, I have been the machine shop supervisor. The in-house training programs I participated in was the machinist training program that I attended, and also the Six Sigma program. We have state-of-the-art equipment here. It seems like every year we're purchasing more and more updated equipment. We have the best machining technology in the world here. And Cameron has made a huge investment in not only this facility, but also facilities globally, so we can keep up with the competition and we can continue to offer the best product. I've been at Cameron since I was 20 years old. I'm 32 years old and I plan on retiring at Cameron. It's challenging, it's rewarding, it's a good company to work for, and I enjoy it very much.
My name is Jamar. I work at Cameron Bath, Little Rock, Arkansas facility. I've been working here for 4 years now. I work as a machinist. I chose Cameron because my father worked out here. It's a very stress-free environment, and I like it. I started at Cameron as a forklift driver. I was given the opportunity to become a machinist, and I did the machinist program. And I've already learned plenty of machines to keep me going, and I want to learn plenty more. And I believe there's plenty of opportunity for me to do that. What makes me excited about coming to work every day is I always know there's something new and a new learning experience. Cameron is bigger than what I thought it was. They have over 300 companies, and not even half of them are in the U.S. They're scattered out internationally. So being as big as they are, I'm kind of happy to be a part of that.
My name is Sean. I'm a machinist with Cameron's Machine Shop, and I've been here for almost 3 years. I chose Cameron because I've heard the name many times before from previous jobs. I've worked with their equipment. I've always been very enthused to work on their equipment because of the advancements in their technology. This particular cell that I'm in right now is a part of a training program where they're trying to create a faster paced environment by coupling 2 machines together and creating a streamlined system. And I've been able to manage to run these machines pretty accurately and pretty efficiently through the training program I've been a part of. Being a team member at Cameron is being a part of a whole where everyone here is contributing to a process to finish a product. The Cameron culture is predominantly a safety culture, and that's been put first and foremost strongly, and because of that, I feel very secure here at Cameron.
Well, Cameron's benefits package is second to none. It's nice to know that Cameron as a company is taking care of their employees by giving us the best benefit package there is.
Some of the advantages of working out here at Cameron compared to other companies is that it's a safe environment, a clean environment, and have state-of-the-art equipment out here.
There's a reason why we have over 400 employees here. There's a reason why Cameron is known globally as being a huge company. You know, it's not only for the products that we push out, but it's also for how Cameron treats its people.
What makes me proud to work at Cameron is that they trust me every day on a daily basis to run a multi-million-dollar machine to cut their parts, ship out all across the world.
I've had many jobs in my lifetime, This is the first company I've ever worked for where I feel that this is a place I want to be and a place I'd like to retire from.
My name is David. I'm a welder at Cameron in Little Rock, Arkansas, and I've been with the company for 5 years. When I first came to Cameron, I applied for assembly. But once they look at my resume and check my background, my history, my schooling, one guy wanted me for assembly, but they was like, no, he's a welder. And they offered this online class called Tooling You. It pretty much gave you the basic classes about your training, the welding procedures, how to work safely. And with that, the more you know, the more valuable you are with the company, and they really appreciate that. I realized welding is an art, and I love to draw, so I took it and ran with it. And it was like a challenge, and with me, I love a challenge. What energizes me at Cameron is positive feedback from a supervisor. They thank me every day, congratulate me on the great job that I'm doing, and they really look forward to working with me.
My name's Ronnie. I've been with Cameron for 16 years, section leader, subsea fabrication. I hired on with Cameron for the Troika project. And on completion of the Troika project, I became a lead man. 2 years ago, I become a section leader, and that's the position I sat in now at Cameron. Advantages that Cameron would have over other companies, I would say that they're a big company. They're worldwide. They have a lot of opportunities to grow. And the culture here at Burke, it's really good. You know, we have a good group. I mean, we got a lot of guys that they take a lot of pride in the work that they do.
My name is John, and I am the lead man of the weld shop here at Cameron, and I've been here for 17 years. I chose Cameron because of the advanced technology, and I think the opportunities that are available to you here at Cameron. Cameron offers a lot more expanded training than other companies. It really benefits the person out here on the floor. Really gives you a feel for being a part of the company. Any goal you have here at Cameron can be accomplished. Everybody is engaged and wants to have your opinion, your knowledge, and help you along your way on that road to being a better employee and person. Our environment is very clean, state-of-the-art equipment, and we happen to be air-conditioned at this plant. So if you're looking for a nice place to work in the summertime, this is where you need to be.
Cameron has a great benefit package, 401k, vision, health, and dental, which I can thank them for this smile I have today. And I'm able to give my daughter braces now.
I have 4 kids. They're 3 young adults now and still a teenage daughter at home. And it's been nice over the years knowing that the insurance is great, you know. My kids are well covered. I really have appreciated that.
I think the support behind the benefit package is the highlight of it.
We really get good support from the top down. Great team overall. I got invited to the OTC show in Houston several months ago, and a gentleman was there. He was a student at LSU or a recent graduate at LSU. He saw that I worked for Cameron, and I told him I had been working here for 16 years, and he asked me what I thought about Cameron, and I told him, you know, great company, great place, a lot of support. I thought he'd really enjoy working for Cameron and be a good place for him to really consider.
Every day I get up, I look forward to coming to Cameron. When I first got here, I look at it like a job. I can actually say it's a career.
I think the driving thing or corporate message here is excellence, and they expect it from you, but they, in turn, give you excellence right back.
My name is Kevin. I'm a current GRDP in my materials management rotation in our drilling division here in Berwick, Louisiana. So far, I've done 2 rotations in the Global Rotational Development Program. My first 2 rotations were based out of Buffalo. I was a manufacturing engineer, and then I was the first GRDP to get to do a rotation in field service. So so I got to travel around the world and see our equipment in the field, which is a great rotation. I chose Cameron because of the 2-year rotational program. The exposure and the experience that you can gain over the first 2 years is unlike any other company out there. And I saw a better opportunity to move up and advance in my career with Cameron than I did anyone else.
Hi, my name is Tyler. I'm a production planner in our materials group in Oklahoma City Surface Systems. I've been with Cameron just over 2 years now. When I first hired on with Cameron right out of school, I moved to southern Louisiana to work in aftermarket drilling in our Berwick facility. While there, I worked as a manufacturing engineer in quality and also a project coordinator. From there, I moved up to Oklahoma City where I worked in materials management and production supervisor. I just finished the GRDP program and now I'm a production planner here at the Surface Systems in Oklahoma City. In my time at Cameron, I've been fortunate enough to be part of several different training courses ranging from manufacturing engineering and materials management to supervisor roles. In addition, I've also been able to go through Lean Six Sigma / Green Belt training and then supervisor training here in Oklahoma City.
I didn't know when I first started with Cameron, they always told me that they were a global company, but I never realized that 2/3 of our business is outside the U.S. and how much of our customer base is outside the U.S. And particularly when I did field service rotation, I got to travel internationally and see our customers and our equipment out in the field and all the different areas that we go to. It was a really great experience and kind of eye-opening for me.
One of the great things about Cameron and specifically GRDP is that it allows you to get in the middle of it, to get your hands dirty, to actually touch the product, to see completed equipment going out the door, stuff that you know will be deployed into the field in the next few days in most cases. And being that close to what's going on, to the operation, to the business, is a great source of motivation because it means that what you're doing really does matter.
Well, Cameron has a culture that's really focused on their employees as far as health, safety. The opportunity for growth for employees is always great. Cameron sponsors charities all over, and they have several events to help with employee health and safety.
I think when you take a look at Cameron as a company, its benefits package and those things will stack up with anyone, any of our competitors, anyone in the market. I also think that Cameron is heads above the rest in the time and the energy and the commitment to developing its people internally. You hear Cameron cares and that Cameron values its people a lot around this organization, and that's certainly true. Everything we do, from how we approach our manufacturing to what it is we're selling and how we run our business, is related back to Cameron truly valuing its people. Cameron is a company that operates under the highest integrity in a very financially responsible manner, and in today's world I think that's hard to find.
The thing that gets me most excited and energized is just knowing that every day you come into work you have something new to challenge you and inspire you to work harder. And the great part about the rotational program is every 6 months you're going into an entire new field, new challenge, and new experience.
As a GRDP, it's made plainly known that big things are expected of you. Certainly in terms of development, certainly in terms of maturing, but for the future as well. Upon completion of that, I think the next logical step is to continue learning, to continue growing, continue to absorb as much information as possible to better prepare you for those long-term goals. If you were to track your career, the sky is truly the limit. Whatever it is that you desire to do within a business, Cameron can provide that, and they certainly open those doors for you if you're willing to learn and continue developing.
Real people, real places, real experiences. Here's why you should consider Cameron.
Collaboration.
Opportunity.
Integrity.
Training.
Exciting.
Rewarding.
Excellence.
Safety.
Responsibility.
Innovation.
Challenging.
Global.
Cameron.
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 Are you ready for a real career? Energize your career with Cameron. I hope to see you soon.